Welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen. Like I said before,
Hey.
I'm recording, and making videos because I do have to catch up out there with you guys. And when everybody that is out there that wants to see, new videos. So today, guys, again, I'm going to be making a beef stew.
That's right.
You're going to back up a little bit because the light is really, Yeah, I'm going to be making, guys, so today, I'm going to be making a beef stew. So my beef stew, I have this big pan here, Mike, if you want to come over so I can show everyone, okay? This is how I'm going to do it. I cut and prep everything because I want you guys to know exactly what my beef stew consists of, okay? This is my beef. It's already cut up, as you can see right here. That's my beef, see? And I season it with salt and pepper. And then if you move back there, those are potatoes that are going to be included, okay? I cut them up already. That's some onions and garlic that I cut up and chopped up. Those are some carrots over there. And then when it comes to seasoning, this is my tomato paste. I know I look kind of like, right? Dum-dums, but I wanted to put it there because I wanted you guys to see. I'm gonna be using red wine vinegar. You can also use
White wine vinegar.
balsamic vinegar. You can also use balsamic if you don't have red wine. And then, salt, pepper. I forgot to get celery, so I have some celery salt. So that's going to be in replacement of that. Parsley. I don't have any beef bullion. So I have this one is beef bullion, but it's, powdery. So we're going to be using that. So that's more or less that, guys. Some of the herbs is going to be basil, fresh parsley, and some thyme. And I have here a little bit of flour. See it?
Oh yeah.
This is just refined flour. Because what I'm going to do, come here, Mike.
Oh yeah.
This is the beef. Right?
Mix it up, mix it up.
I gotta brown all the pieces. And then after all the pieces, that one fell down. But since my house is always so nice and clean,
That's right.
I can always pick it up and put it with the rest of the batch.
That's
see?
right.
So what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna brown all this beef in that oil.
Brown the
that I
beef.
put there,
Hey,
which
hashtag
is-
brown the beef.
Exactly. Hashtag brown the beef.
Hashtag brown
So
the
I
beef.
know it's really hot because I can feel it from here. So what I'm gonna do, I have to, hold on, Michael.
All right.
Let me move this around like that. And I'm gonna start, I was gonna throw it in, but I don't wanna do that. So I'm gonna put it in batches like that.
That's right.
So what we're gonna do, we're gonna be browning all the beef. Hey guys? And I wanna move it like that because I want that oil. I don't want the oil to be higher than the meat. You understand what I'm saying? So
That's right.
I want it to like I'm searing the meat. That's exactly what I need to do with the meat. I want to sear it. See?
Oh yeah.
But I'm gonna put it on high.
That's right.
Because I want to sear this fast. I am not gonna add, as you can see, there's hardly any oil in there.
That's right.
So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sear that meat. So meanwhile, I'm gonna put this one. Did I bring you my coloros?
No, I'm good, Mom.
Oh, you jumped like one rabbit over there, boy. What? Oh, but that doesn't matter. That's from this because I was like that, but okay. So I guess I burned Michael a little bit, but Michael doesn't want to tell anybody to anything. Where did I burn you, Michael?
No, you didn't, Mom.
You can even see anything. You're a funny boy, let me tell you. So as you can see, it's on high, so I'm gonna need to get hotter. So I'm gonna tell you right now what I'm gonna do. Brown it on that side, on high. I'm gonna turn it one time only. Take it out. Then after I take it out in this same pan, I'm gonna brown the onions and the garlic. As soon as that's brown, I'm gonna turn this off. I'm gonna take that meat that I took off, I'm gonna put it on top of this. And then next to it, I'm gonna add up the potatoes and everything that you see in there. I'm gonna put liquid water, cover it, and I'm gonna go away for an hour. And then when I come back, it'll be done. So for now, just keep on washing this, okay? Here we go. I'm gonna start turning, guys. Here we go. Turn it, little color on one side, color on the other side, here we go. I'm just gonna put a little bit more of oil, guys, because I need to cook the other side too. And it has plenty of salt and pepper. That's all you need. Don't worry about the garlic powder, because that's here and that will come later on. So for now, this is it. And I'm gonna let you guys go, and we're gonna come right back as we start taking this out and putting this in, because I want you guys to be with me when I put everything together. So when we come back, this meat, the rest of it, will be all nice and brown. You will see none of those red spots there, okay? So thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you like in 5 minutes. Alright, so we're back. I'm gonna turn this off because it's getting like very, very hot. And I'm gonna put the meat in here.
Wow.
Okay?
Already looks good.
Because what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the garlic. Okay, guys?
Oh.
And the onions that I have there, we're gonna put them in here, Michael.
That's right.
Okay? As soon as I'm taking this out, these last 3 pieces, I'm gonna need a bottle of water. I'm gonna put the onions and the garlic. So here we go. Right there, because it's part of all this. Put it in there like that, guys. You want me to hold it? You want to go get me a glass of water? A thing of water? I don't know where mine is. Come here, I'll hold it. I'll hold it, buddy. Come on.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Hold that.
I got it.
Okay.
Go ahead. I don't know how to do this, but I'm being a cameraman now. Michael's getting me a bottle of water. I just got very thirsty. Just dehydrated. Okay, so here we go, guys. Okay, where's that water, buddy?
All right.
Oh, thank you. Let me
You're
see
welcome.
that.
All right.
All right.
All right.
Yeah.
Hey.
Sorry, I was just turning that on.
Oh, no, that's okay. Drink up.
I know I am. Hold on. Been working on my face, trying to get rid of those blemishes that I have. I told you guys that's melasma from getting older, from me stressing out and all that, and from the problems that I have with my colitis. And I have like those patches, and I found this serum online, and I'm like, I'm gonna buy me that. And when you put it on, they get darker because what it's doing is it's drying out the skin in the spot that I want, like the blemishes to go away.
That's right.
So when it dries, it peels, so that's why it looks like that. But trust me, I've been going, guys, you don't even want to know. It's been like a twilight zone, living with all these blemishes and all this stuff. I'm gonna tell you what, I don't like it at all. So here we are, Michael. See?
Oh, it smells
Can you
really
smell
good.
it?
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do is
Onion and garlic.
onion and garlic. That's it. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on low.
That's right.
Okay. Hold on a second. And we're gonna take the beef.
Okay.
Now we season only with salt and pepper, guys. Remember?
That's right.
We're gonna add it up to the onions and the garlic that we color.
Wow.
Where we color the meat.
Smells so good.
Okay. So we're gonna throw it in there like that with that plate.
Oh, yeah.
And now, we're also gonna put these beautiful potatoes in there.
Oh, yeah.
And then we're also gonna put these beautiful carrots in there.
Oh, yeah.
And then we're gonna put this beautiful tomato sauce.
All right.
Okay, and here we go.
Wow.
From the same sauce.
Look at that.
Okay. And then you gave me, I'm gonna put a bottle of water.
It's the best.
Because it has to
Purified if you can,
No, and it
guys.
has to cook. You know what I'm saying? Like, say. So I put a bottle of water, which is how many ounces? I think 16 or 12.
16.9 ounces.
But just put like a good amount, guys. You know what I'm saying? Because you gotta cover all that. And
That's right.
now what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna start putting in all the seasonings. Okay?
That's right.
So I wanna put first for anything some celery salt.
Check.
I'm gonna go like this. And that's gonna be enough because I don't have any celery. Okay, guys? So that's the only reason I'm doing that. And then I'm gonna take, because I didn't have no beef bouillons or beef stock that you can get at the supermarket, or I didn't have any bones that I boil to make my own, because I like doing that too, right, Michael Lolo?
That's right. It's actually
So what
very
I'm gonna-
fresh.
Exactly. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is that a tablespoon?
That is half a tablespoon.
Damn, okay. So we're gonna put a tablespoon,
All right.
okay, of beef bouillon powder. Right, Mike?
That's right.
And we're gonna put a little bit of salt. Like that, no
All
more
right.
than that. Okay? And I'm gonna put this up. We're gonna put pepper in there.
Oh, yeah.
Like that, Michael. Yeah?
Yeah.
And we're gonna put a little bit of Worcestershire sauce.
Ooh.
I want to measure it. So is this 1 tablespoon or not? I have a lot of tablespoons.
Is 1 tablespoon.
Okay.
TBS.
Okay.
Hey, isn't that a network?
Mm-hmm.
Haha.
That's 1, 2 of these.
All right.
Okay. Like that.
That's right.
Okay.
You wanna give it flavor.
We're also gonna put some red wine. If you
Ooh.
don't have red wine, you can use balsamic. Okay, guys.
Yes.
I don't like putting a lot. There's people that like putting a lot. I'm just gonna put 3 tablespoons.
Well, you have to boil it through.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put. That's gonna break like all the flavors, you know, the seasonings.
That's right.
And of course, guys, we gotta put oregano.
Ooh.
Yeah.
What kind of oregano?
No, this is a
Mexican or Greece oregano?
Oh, this is a Mexican. It's
Yes.
really good. It smells so good. Look, it smells.
Let me smell.
Look, smell.
Oh yeah. It smells so good.
Smells good, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, and then herbs, guys. When people say herbs, they're talking about basil, blah, blah, blah. I don't have fresh basil, but this is like fresh because, I mean, this is not that same basil that it says here. I buy it by the ounce at my store that I go to, you know, and it's very fresh. If you smell it, it's the best. It's like sometimes 69 cents. And you're going to put some basil in there.
Oh, look at that.
And I have a little bit of thyme.
It's starting to look
This
like
is,
a really
exactly.
nice stew.
Hold on. I'm opening my bag. This
Yes.
is thyme. Okay, so like you say, see, I buy it at my store that I go to,
Yes.
and because it gives it that flavor for that like stew, Michael. Oh. And
Look at that.
then, guys,
Look at that, everyone.
I have fresh basil. I mean parsley.
Oh, yeah.
But this parsley is not gonna go on.
No.
Not until this is almost done. So
The
what
end.
I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move it, guys, and then after I move it, I'm gonna put a lid on it. We're gonna cover it,
And it's gonna
We're
ferment.
gonna let it exactly. We're gonna let the potatoes cook.
Like grapes.
Exactly.
Making wine.
Look how it looks, Mike.
Oh yeah.
Right? And you guys want you say you guys want bread, Michael, with this, or you guys want
I mean, I think that's good. Potatoes,
bread.
carrots, beef. I'm not gonna eat any bread.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna.
You don't
eat
want
my-
any bread with it?
Oh,
I mean,
no.
you really don't need it.
I'm just gonna.
Oh my God.
I just need
I'm
my
gonna tell
stew.
you guys something, guys. I just like taste it like this because I like go to the spoon like that. And taste because I have to taste. You know what I'm saying? Every cook has to taste their food, right, Michael?
That's right.
So as you can see, guys, I'm gonna take my large lid that I usually keep down here because it doesn't fit over there. Here we go. My jumbo lid.
That's right.
And I don't have any roaches in my house. None of the above. When we come back, all this will be nice and clean. As soon as I put this on, I'm gonna start like picking out the kitchen, making it nice and pretty.
That's
So
right.
as you can see, it's gonna start boiling there. It's on high, but I'm gonna put it a little bit low, and I think I'm gonna put a little bit more water. This is the water that I took, that I was gonna pour in there. So here we go. So we put 16 ounces and another like cup of water. So just put enough water because you know all the potatoes that you have there, just by going like this, and you know it's gonna like it's gonna go down as it evaporates. Okay, so it's gonna get thicker.
That's right.
And it's gonna go lower. So just make sure you put enough water and then taste it as the potatoes are getting soft, to make sure to see if you need something. You might need a little bit more salt, a little bit more pepper, or maybe some more spices that you want to put in. I don't know, but everybody has their different tastes of what they want it to
Preference.
taste more or not. Exactly. So I'm gonna cover it, and then we're gonna be back. I'm gonna put it, let it stew like for 20 minutes, right?
Oh, yeah.
Just put the timing together, guys. And after I put the timing, I'll see you guys. Okay. Wow, look. Here we go. 18, 20, and I'll see you guys in 20 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe. And we're back, and remember, guys, I said that it was gonna be 20 minutes. Well, I had it to add another 30 minutes. So we're like, see, if you can see here, Michael, and you
45
can show them,
minutes.
This is 20 seconds, 25 seconds, and going down, counting down. So we did 20 and 30 minutes, right?
20 and 25 minutes.
Oh, 20 and 25 minutes. So it was
45
minutes. So 45 minutes, and this is done. I want you guys to see the broth, how it is. Let's see, look at that broth, how it is.
I gotta take a picture of that.
I know, look at that. I mean, that looks... Take a video of me doing this. Hold on a second, okay? Ready? Okay, so Michael took his thing. Sorry, guys, but we were just doing that real quick there. Okay, so my food is done. So I turn it off. And then my food from back here is done also. And I am going to take a little bit of my beef stew in this plate. because this is what we do, right, Mike?
Oh
I'm
yeah.
gonna put 1 carrot, 1 piece of carrot, 1 piece of potato, another baby piece of meat, and a little bit of broth. I'm gonna do this one right now, just because I want you guys to see it, how nice it came out. It's really, really pretty, and I am also going to take this, hold on a second, and I'm gonna put it over here, Michael, look, because I want you to see it, okay? Look, I want you to see how pretty it is. It's not gonna go anywhere because it's in between the sink right there. Look how beautiful those potatoes came out. Magnificent. The pieces of carrots are just perfect. This tastes like heaven, okay? And I am not lying when I say it. So, if you guys want to copycat this, you can just go ahead and make the video, make the recipe, feed your family. I mean, that meat cost me $10.
Ingredients down below.
It's like $16. And this is a meal that you're getting for 2 days, let me tell you, a family of 4, because it's a lot. And when you eat it, you get full, like, you know what I'm saying? You don't have to eat a lot, and you'll be full for a long amount of time before you get hungry again. I was looking for a spoon. So here I am back for the spoon. This one, wow. Everything looks so nice, Mike. Hold on, let me taste my broth. I already did the broth. I know you gotta record me, but don't put that on my face like that. Get back a little bit, please. Thank you. Believe it or not. I don't do that when I eat. I'm doing that because I'm burning my mouth, not because of the heat, but it's hot, the temperature of the food. Because as soon as I do a video, I always try to attempt to eat anything that I make, and sometimes, most of the time, it's very, very hot. So there's a piece of meat, I'll tell you right now. Very tender, the meat. Everything is just perfect. I love it. So you guys go ahead and do your beef stew. I know that on the East Coast, the temperatures are very low, and on the north side of the country. So this is magnificent when the weather is like this. You make this, you sit in front of the TV, or you take a shower, and get a big bowl of this, and then watch a good movie and fall asleep. I'm telling you, it's the best. So with that, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. You know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us and like us. And we're gonna be there trying to make a video as much as I can. I promise you guys. So with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't drink and drive. You know what to do. Love you all. And thanks for watching.